So people were not very much knowledgeable of what was happening. It was until later, and now here we are. But guess what? Even Nigerians, right, or Africa, we have not even tapped into 80, what am I saying, even 60% or 70% of what we can do with AI right now, right? The people that are in overseas, they are like, ah God, they are laying off staffs a lot, that there are some skills that you want to learn now, right? You want to learn some skills now. Normally it would have taken you 2 days, three, I'm sorry, I said 2 days. It would have taken you um maybe 2 years. So I said 2 years, 6 months, 1 year to learn. But sometimes nowadays now, you can actually hear about a skill, and with AI you're able to learn the basics of the skill with speed. Are you getting it? You see all these things that I said
Yeah.
you want to learn, most of the things that I said, if you understand AI, you can just sit down in your house. Are you getting me? Just be
Mm.
prompting, like, just be prompting AI, asking it questions, and before you know it, it will be answering most of the concerns you have about that skill. It will just be answering it. That's how powerful it is, right? And that's why I am actually talking about it, because at this time that we are, if I'm going to start teaching you all the basics of many of the skills that we're going to talk, yeah, we'll be wasting time. But what about if you have the power, like you have understanding of AI? You could easily just take a particular skill and be like, okay, so let me just get the roadmap to learning this skill, and you can actually even just learn it on your own, right? And then of course with this AI, you can actually even deliver some services to some businesses without even having 100% understanding what that that service is, right? So now, um um the question we have always been asking around, will AI affect us? The good question is not will AI affect us, right? Now, people are using AI to write content. People are using AI to design graphics, like graphics design. People are designing
Mm.
graphics with AI, right? People are running marketing tasks with AI. People are building businesses with AI. Yes, there are AI businesses right now, right? People are automating tasks. People are even making decisions with AI. Nowadays now, there are people that, if they want to make decisions now, they don't have to trust themselves. Like, that's how serious it is right now. If you want to make decision now, critical decisions about your life, are you hearing me? You you
Yes.
you don't rely on your instinct anymore. You go and ask AI. AI, what do you think about this thing? You tell it about the issue. You tell AI about the issue, and you ask AI, what do you think about the issue, about this thing? And AI would even respond to you and act like your paddy, your best friend. That's what people use AI to do nowadays. Do you understand? If people are bored, if people are um feeling confused, they don't ask anybody again. Just go to ChatGPT, talk to him. ChatGPT can act as your as your companion. Some have even take it as like their wife, online wife. I used to hear it online. They call it online wife. I getting it. So a lot. I get it. A lot, a lot to just talk about. Now, what is AI? Like you said, it is called artificial intelligence, but it is just the acronym. That's just the acronym. I getting it. That's just the acronym.
Mm.
But what does it actually mean? Now, they are machines or tools that can think, learn, and help you do tasks faster. Very simple definition. Are you getting it? They are tools that
Mm.
think, number one, they can learn, two, and then help you do tasks faster. What does this definition mean? Number one, if you tell AI to do something for you, it's going to think about that particular thing like you are a human being. If I tell you to do a task right now, you will not just jump and start doing the task, except the person is a mad person. But you will not just jump and start doing the task. You will think and process that thing. Once you are done, once you have processed it, right? Once you have processed it, then you now learn. Then apart from processing that stuff, it will now learn from your behavior, because that's very important. AI learns from your behavior. Whatever you plug to it, it learns about that thing, how the structure, how you ask questions, it learns about your behavior generally, and that's why it's a very powerful tool. It learns about your behavior, and then e now acts on it. And not just acting on it o, e helps you to do it faster. What will take you to think. Like if I want to come up with a book right now, I want to write a book. Do you know I can write a book, start writing a book now, and in 1 month I am done writing that book. Why? Not because, oh, I cannot use my brain to write the, of course I'll use my brain to write the book, but AI has made so many things easier, that what used to take years, or people are taking 2 years to write a book or some, except the project is a very, like, it's a unique project. You understand? It's a unique
Mm.
project. Let's say I want to write about my autobiography, like my, sorry, I want to write about myself, like my biography, right? I don't need, I of course you use AI to correct errors and all that, but AI doesn't know my story. I getting it? AI doesn't know my
Mm.
story, doesn't know my experiences. So I have to take time to now write and many of all that. But AI will definitely help in editing, like proofreading, editing and many of other stuff, right? But it cannot help you to talk about your experiences and your stories. That AI will just help you in proofreading and editing. You understand? So
Yes.
that is what AI is. So it helps you to do tasks faster. Think of it like having an assistant that can that never sleeps. Like, it doesn't sleep at all, right? It can help you to write, it can help you to plan, it can help you to design, it can help you research and even think through ideas. It can give you ideas, it can give you ideas. But now here is now the problem, and which I want to talk about. Now, because of this AI doesn't mean that someone will replace his brain, like his or her brain. The what people are doing right now is they are not even thinking for themselves. They just carry the thinking and give to AI. AI does the thinking for them, and it's not supposed to be so. You are meant to think first about that thing. Are you getting it? Think about that.
Yes.
Think about how you will solve it. Then when you are done thinking, you write down what you thought or whatever your thoughts were, and then you now give it to AI to help you to enhance it. Are you getting what I'm saying? You give it to
Yes.
AI, not that you just carry, you just have an idea, you just carry it, boom, straight to AI to think for you. No, you are making yourself lazy. Like, you make your brain to be lazy. You will not be able to think for yourself. You will not be able to make decisions. Yeah, it's so bad, right? So I want to just put that there, that it's not meant to think for you o. You are meant to, it's meant to enhance your thinking. You understand?
Mm.
Yes. Now, let me be honest with you, right? We are in a time where one person with AI, right? One person with AI can do the job of 5 people. Do you understand?
Yes.
One,
Yes.
like as I am now, I can do the job of 5 people with AI. Job of 5 people. Now,
Mm.
another thing you need to also know is that people now used to look at, like, there are small businesses right now that can compete with big companies because of AI. They just need to have their
Mm.
system, their AI system set up. They can compete with big businesses, I can tell you, right? Because of AI, right? Now, in this kind of world, like in this world that we are, sorry, right? It's not there's nothing like saying, I'm not techie, I don't understand tech. It's hard. No, we should not be hearing that again in 2026. It's a very wrong except maybe you have retired. You understand? Maybe you have retired and maybe you are receiving your pension, or maybe you are no more working and probably your kids are now sending you money. No problem. You can, in fact, if you don't want to even learn, there's no problem. But right now, if there's nothing like that for you, right now, it's not good to be hearing I'm not techie, I'm not in tech, it doesn't concern me. It has to concern you because because they'll use you as shine teeth well well. How to be like,
Hmm.
right? So you have to be you have to be evolving. You have to be ever evolving, because if you are not evolving, they will disrupt you. And what will disrupt you is people that can use AI. People that can use AI. So it's not about that, oh, you will be replaced. You'll be replaced if you don't know how to use AI. If you know how to use AI, you will not be replaced. But you only be replaced if you don't know how to use AI. So I used to laugh at people that say, I'm not techie, I don't know how to use AI. You have to learn it to, you have to, right? So now I hope that makes sense for you.
Yes.
Makes sense. All right. Now let's now talk about AI tools. There are many AI tools that we have. Many AI tools. I'm supposed to use slides for this class, but I was preparing that and I left it for something, right? But then I think I would come up with a slide for this thing. But then let's continue, right? Because I usually come up with slides for any introductory topic, right? So, but then let's continue. Now, AI tools are categorized into like different sections, right? So the first one is we have the writing tools. That means we have tools that can actually help you to write like they write like a pro. The time that ChatGPT came out, the time ChatGPT first came out, I getting it. He could not write
Hmm.
properly. Like you look at it like, what's this one writing? He was writing off. He always write off. But like once you see that content, you feel like, this is ChatGPT. But right now, ChatGPT is now very, very intelligent in terms of writing. Very intelligent. It can write a full story for you. Nobody will know that it's ChatGPT. Nobody will know, right? And so I just mentioned one now, ChatGPT. The popular one. I know you use ChatGPT, right?
Yes.
Powerful. So ChatGPT is one of them, and we're going to actually practicalize ChatGPT, and then we'll look at other ones too as well. Now we have ChatGPT. Now we have that's for writing tools. There's even Claude AI. You can use all these tools. There's Claude AI. There's ChatGPT. I think there's one again. Answer the public.
You say you say it's clock.
Claude. Okay, let me type it. Claude AI. Claude AI. I've typed it. Claude AI. Claude AI. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, so there's Claude AI, and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you that in some bit, right? All right. So now another thing we have is okay. I think that those are the two popular ones that you can start with. Now they can help you to write messages. They can help you to create content. You can generate content ideas with just these writing tools. Do you understand?
Hmm.
Yeah. So that's on writing tools. The second kind of tool we have is design tools. Now, I mentioned before that you can actually create graphics flyer with AI without designing anything. You can actually create it.
Yes.
So there's an AI tool that can help you do that, and it's Canva AI. And I'm going to show you all these tools one by one so that you see what they can do. What they can do. Right? So there's Canva AI. You can create flyers with it. You can create a logo with it. You can even come up with social media posts with it. Do you understand? Do you understand? Hello, do you
Yes.
understand? Powerful.
Yes, I can hear you. I understand. I understand.
Makes sense. All right. So there's another one. Let me look at this. So there's video and audio tools. Video and audio tools. Video and audio tools. And so what this one helps you to do is that it helps you to come up with videos faster. There's a tool I use for video editing. This tool will help me to edit a video. Like, it will help me add transitions. You'll be asking yourself, you'll be asking yourself, is it AI that help you to do this thing? That's the era that we are in. We have AI that can come up with a like, you just have to prompt it and it will edit your video perfectly well, like a pro, and you'll be wondering what's happening. You see? So that's the era that we are in. That's for video. Then we have business tools. So what these tools helps us to do is that they help us to um organize tasks. That's one. Two is to automate the tasks. You get to automate the tasks. Another one is to manage customers. Yes, you can use these AI tools to manage customers. Are you getting it? And then you can
Yes.
also use it to like to improve productivity. Yeah, so like for example now, this phrase that we used to say, I am busy, I am busy, I am busy. I understand it. I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm
Mm.
busy. That thing is, you're not meant to be saying that in this era. And when we now come and see what you are busy with, you see that it's something that you could have actually automated with AI, or would have just done with AI. But no, you don't know how to use the tools, so you are just still there wasting time. What you could have completed with AI in under 5 hours, sorry, in 10 minutes, you are spending 5 hours doing it. You should just do things fast and move to the next thing. That's the era we are in. Do things fast. Once a task has been given to you, look at the task very well. Can AI do this thing very well? If AI can do it, please move to, just go and use AI to do that thing. Do that task, right? Once you do that, you see that like before 6 p.m., you have achieved so much for the day. Achieve, except you are doing something, even with the brain work too, you can still use AI to like automate some things, and things will just go smoothly. You understand? You understand?
Yes, yes, I do.
Yeah. So that's the era we're in. Okay. So do you have any questions? I mean, from here that we are, so that we can move.
Yes,
Okay.
these video and audio tools.
Yes.
What are the examples? Examples
Examples.
of video and audio tools, then business tools.
Okay, so for audio tools, for audio, video and audio tools, we have Adobe Podcast. So what this can do is, if I'm shooting video now, Adobe Podcast, let me write it. Adobe Podcast. Just search for it. Right now, if I am doing, like, if I'm shooting video now, and let's say my background is noisy.
Mm.
Now, if it was in the time of when there's no AI, I would have been scared. I'd be like, how do I don't have money to buy tools, but do you know there is an AI tool that can actually remove your background noise? They will not be able to sense that there's background noise at all. You understand?
Okay.
They will not be able to sense it. AI can clean that noise, background noise, clearly, right? Another one is Captions AI. Captions AI can help you edit your videos, right? Add footages,
Caption.
captions AI, captions AI. Let me type it. Captions AI. It's even
What
an app.
I can't see what you're typing.
Check group chat.
Are you
Just,
typing it on WhatsApp?
yes, I'm no, not on WhatsApp. Yeah, just look down. You see, um, group chat.
Group chat. Where is it?
After Are you seeing, if you look below, are you seeing something like some icons close to here?
Yes.
So the third one,
Okay.
have you seen it? What do you see there?
Whiteboard.
No, not that side, not that side. Once you scroll, once you move, there's another section, like there's another group that is separate from that side that you are looking at. Have you seen it? Hello, have you seen it?
I didn't hear you again. My this thing went off.
Okay, did you hear what I said? I said that there's another section, another group that is in like a section by your right. Are you seeing it? Yeah.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Let me sign it. I can't, let me sign it. Let me use my phone to check. Let me use my phone to check. Let me use my phone to check. All right. Can I see my phone?
No.
Okay. Okay. There should be something like, okay. When you click on that three dots, do you see any three dots? Any three dots at the
Three
top?
dots up.
Yes, click on it.
Yes.
There you see group chat. That's where you see it.
Okay.
Are you seeing group chat now?
I've seen group chat.
Click on it. Click on it.
So when you write something, I can see it.
Yes. So let me type it again. Can you see
Okay.
something like, so I said captions AI. Are you seeing it now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Cloud AI. So after the meeting it will clear off. That's the thing. Adobe,
Okay.
yes, Adobe podcast, right? Now even some video editing tools they actually have AI integrated. Do you understand? They actually have AI integrated as well. So that's that. Then for business tools now, there are lots of business tools, oh, but those ones now they
Mm.
are kind of complex. Not too complex, but they are complex in the sense that you'll be the one to actually build the tool. Like you have to now build it. You understand? Like when it comes to business, you
Mm.
have to build. They call it workflow. Are you understanding? They call it workflow. So let's say for example, I want to build a system where somebody can fill a form. Are you hearing me? Are you, are you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say for business tools now, let's say I want to build a system. They call it systems. They call it systems. Why? Because you cannot use one tool for it. You have to, like, it's more like you are building an infrastructure to handle that thing. So let's say for example, I want to I want to build a system where if you fill a form right now, automatically when you are done filling that form and you click submit, you will receive an email. And not just receiving an email, once you receive that email, you click on maybe anything in the email, you can get directed to WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, a number is automatically chatting you without, it's not the human being, oh, the number is automatically
Okay.
chatting you. Then from there you make payment, the system will also detect that you have made payment and confirm it, and then automatically send you the link to join a particular group. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this workflow now? You see that is lot of tax. You see, right? It's lot. There are lots of tax.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Yes.
so you cannot use one tool to build it. Sorry, you cannot use. You cannot say one tool will handle that thing. You'd have to build that system. Do you understand? And
Mm.
that one now is technical.
Mm.
That's why it's that one is technical, right? It's technical because if you
Mm.
don't understand the basics of AI, like the basics of AI, it's not that one you want to go and understand. So
No.
start the basics. Once you understand the basics, once you dive into that one, it will not even be a problem for you. Do you understand?
Yes.
Perfect. All right. So now let us now move to let us talk about one AI tool. And I think I'm going to share my screen. We talk about one AI tool, ChatGPT, right? We're going to really explore ChatGPT today. I think that is what we uh that's what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very popular, right? Now,
Mm.
why am I focusing on ChatGPT? Is because it's actually the foundation. It's the popular one that people know of. But surprisingly, people don't know how to use it. You get people don't know how to use
Mm.
it. And that's why we're actually focusing on it. Now, ChatGPT is not a chatbot. Do you know what a chatbot?
Mm. Not
Okay, so a
enough
chatbot
idea.
a chatbot is like a tool that that answers your questions anytime you reach out to it or you are chatting it. It answers you. It's not a human being. It's actually more like a robot that helps answers your question or your questions. You know
Okay.
all those there are some websites you go to, you just chat there, you see one icon that looks like message.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You just reach
Yes.
out, somebody will just respond. It's not human being oh. They are called bot.
Yes. I know.
It's a chatbot, right? So that's it. So ChatGPT is not a chatbot. It's a writer. You
Okay.
can turn it to your personal writer or your personal assistant. It can be your strategist. It can be your business consultant. It can even be your content creator. It can be a problem solver. You understand? Now, but here is the
Mm.
secret. Here is the secret. Here is the secret, and why it doesn't people don't like it now. ChatGPT is only as smart as your question. Only as smart
Okay.
as your question. Meaning it will only be smart the when you engage it properly. A lot of people don't know how to engage ChatGPT or these AI tools. They just ask yada 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 and they think that magic or heaven will fall for the answer to come out. But the way you asked it, it did not make sense, and he cannot think beyond the question that you have asked. You understand?
Mm.
He cannot. So if
Yes.
you ask a weak question, you will get a weak answer. Just register it in your head. If you ask a weak
Mm.
question, you get a weak answer. But if you ask a strong question, you will get powerful results. Do you understand now? Now, give
Yes.
you this thinking pattern. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you want to come up with a post for social media.
Mm.
Like, let's say I want to come up with a post. Like, you want to write, like, post something on social media, on Facebook. You understand? Now,
Yes.
a weak human being or someone that doesn't know how to use ChatGPT very well will go and ask it to
Mm.
say, write a post for me. Like, just he will just
Mm.
say, write a post for me. You understand? And
Yes.
ChatGPT will now like look and say, what is wrong with this? Now let us even do it practically. Let's do it practically. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's use a tab, a tab, a tab, a tab. Okay, I think we can actually use this one. Chat GPT. All right. Uh, all right. Okay. You have the app on your phone, Abby.
Yes.
So yeah, perfect. All right. So I'm going to share my screen right now so that we can move forward. Brief tab, brief tab. All right. Please confirm that